Alright, the first video was so great you decided to watch the second one. So, this one, still using the decimal grid, so you're still going to turn this in, but this time we're going to be multiplying a decimal times another decimal. And it's going to look like a little area model. So there's already one set up here. This is 3/10 times 4/10. So looking at it, you can see over here we did 3/10 going this way, 3 rows going across. Those were in light blue. Then we did 4/10 on top. Those are horizontal columns. Those were in red. Why are some of them purple? Because the area where the blue and the red are on top of each other like that, they make purple, and that shows you the overlap, which is our answer, like every other time we've done area model, like with fractions and other spots. And if you notice, there are 12 of these little boxes, so 12 hundredths, and that's our answer when we do 4/10 times 3/10. So I'm going to walk you through one so you can see the whole thing instead of one that's already done for you. So taking a look, here we go. So just picking out two numbers, so maybe along the top we'll do 5/10. And then down along this side, we'll do, 3/10. My beautiful handwriting. There you go, 3/10. So the top number would be columns. So I'm going to make 5 columns going up and down. So I need 5/10. So all the way top to bottom, that's 1/10. That's 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, and 5/10. Amazing, you got to watch me color today. Alright, so there's my 5/10 because I did 5 columns and each column is 1/10. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the 3/10 as in rows going across. So I'll do 3/10. So there's 1, 2, and 3. There's my 3/10. Now when I'm looking for the answer, it's an area model. We've done this plenty of times. When you do an area model, what you're looking for is you're looking for the overlap. So let's see what overlap we have. This section all the way through here. That's my overlap where there's yellow and green. Sorry, they don't blend together like a real highlighter would. So when I look at it, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 times 5, there's 15. So I have 15 little boxes, so I have 15 hundredths. So that would be my answer. If I was writing out the entire equation, then I would write, I have 5/10, I multiplied that by 3/10, and I ended up with 15 hundredths. So it got smaller, which makes sense because when you multiply things by fractions, they get smaller. So a decimal and a fraction are pretty much the same thing. When you multiply a decimal times a decimal, it's going to get smaller. So we end up with 15 hundredths because I'm only getting a part of a fraction, a decimal of it. So that's what you're going to try today. You're going to set up a few of these and you're going to go ahead and try and draw them out using area models on decimal grids. So taking a look, you're going to go to slide 12 here, and there are 4 of them for you to try and draw out. So draw them out on decimal grids, do what you can, try your best. After you do those 4 and you get a little practice with it, the next 4 questions on here, 5, 6, 7, and 8, they are already drawn for you, so you should not redraw them. All you need to do is on your paper, write down what equation is being shown on this box. So what times what and what's the answer. So write that on your decimal grid. You're going to turn in the ones from the first part and the ones from this part all at the end of the class. If you are all the way finished, then you're going to go ahead and do your exit ticket, and then there's iExcels or you have your iReady stuff to do today. Alright, so hopefully this goes well for you tomorrow. I will see you all on Tuesday. Thank you.